In equation 2 power 9 minus 2 power 8 equal to 4 power x, we will try to find out the value of x. At first, I'll write down 9 is 8 power 8 plus 1. So that will become 2 power 8 plus 1 minus 2 power 8 equal to 4 power x. Now, as per the index law, 2 power 8 plus 1 I can write down as 2 power 8 multiply by 2 power 1 minus 2 power 8 equal to 4 power x. Now this is term number 1, this is term number 2. In both the terms, I can take 2 power 8 as common. So in the first term, leftover part is 2 power 1 minus. In the second term, there's nothing left over, so it's just going to be 1 equal to 4 power x, which will be 2 power 8. 2 power 1 is just 2 minus 1. Now, I will also try to work out a little bit on the right-hand side. So 4, I can write down as 2 power 2. And then there is a power x. So this will become 2 power 8. And then 2 minus 1 will be 1, which will be equal to, now index law, if there's a power, another power, then you multiply. So 2 power 2x. So left-hand side 2 power 8 multiplied by 1 will be 2 power 8. And that is equal to 2 power 2x. So now your base is the same, which is 2. So you can equate your power, which is 8, equal to 2x. So x equal to 8 over 2. So x equal to 4. So x equal to 4 is the solution of your equation. Thank you.